If you've been in the market for a wireless keypad, you need to check this one out by Havit. I've been using this for a while and I've been really impressed with it. You can see this is a very thin and portable 26 key keypad. It sits at a 15-degree angle and also has those 4 rubber footings at the corner so it doesn't slip around. The only downside to this keypad is that this uses the older style USB-A charging. The on-off switch button's right there at the top, which you flip to the right to turn on. One important thing before purchasing this is that you want to know the instructions say this is only compatible with Windows computers and not Mac. The instruction manual also says this will last from 1 to 2 months on one charge, and I found that to be pretty accurate as I haven't charged it for almost 2 months and use it at least a couple times a week. So to show you how easy this is to pair, once you turn the keypad on, you'll want to hold down the function and connect button for 5 seconds until you see the blue light flashing like so. Go into your Bluetooth settings on your device and then search for wireless numeric keypad. You can see it's right there. And then once you click on that, it'll connect and just say OK. And then the blue light will go out and that shows that it's been connected. Now that the keypad has been paired, you can see this is very quick and responsive. Another big bonus is that it's very quiet. This thing does have a shortcut feature, but I've never used it. But you can see if you hold down the FN button and the top 3 left buttons, it does work. Overall, I really like this keypad, so if you're interested, check it out.